All right, so in this video, we're going to see how to send connection to a particular profile. So the command is linkedin.send_connection. The parameter that we pass here is profile_link, and inside it, we have to pass the profile link. I'll just open this URL, this LinkedIn profile URL, to showcase the profile here. So it's linkedin.com/manpriya. And so we can see it shows a connect button. So that means we are not connected right now, right? So now I have already pasted in the URL here, and I'll press Shift Enter to execute the command. And it should open this URL now, Manpriya, and it should send the connection request to this particular profile. We can see it clicks on connect button, and now it has clicked on send. So now it shows pending. So it has sent a connection request to this particular profile. All right. So what we can do here is that we can scrape profile URLs from this command, linkedin.peopleresults, and then send connection requests automatically using this particular command. In the next video, we're going to see how to get connections of a particular profile. We want to scrape the connections of a particular profile and then save that data. Thank you.